In this demonstration, we're going to have a look at how to configure the Mailbox server role. It has a few properties that we can configure at the Exchange server level, so we can have a look at things like the domain control and global catalog server that the users connect to. So if we right click here, we've got the switch over server button, and what this allows us to do is it allows us to move all the Mailbox databases from this server to another server. So say for example I need to upgrade the RAM and VAN EX1, I'm going to need to take the thing offline. It will allow me to move those active databases somewhere else in my database availability group. Also what we have here as well is we'll come back to the Manage Client Access role and Hub Transport role in a later demonstration. Managing diagnostic logging properties just allows me to modify the level of logging. The greater the level of logging, the more disk space I'm taking up and potentially the more load I'm putting on the server. If we then have a look at the properties dialog box, we can see that we do have a number of properties associated with the server itself. So we've got summary information about the server, the roles, when we last modified all of these settings. In the case of system settings, this is where we specify the domain controller and the global catalog server used by the Exchange server. The customer feedback options allows us to join the Microsoft Exchange Experience Improvement Program. And the last one we have here is the messaging records management. So if we do create any messaging policies, we can say exactly when those policies will run. So if we click the OK box here, that's really the end of the demonstration, looking at configuring the Mailbox server role itself.